Hey everybody, it's the Glamping Girls. We're getting ready to head out on another adventure, so
come and explore with us.
Let's go. So you ready? Are you excited? What is it that you're looking forward to the most?
I'm looking forward to catching fish and then, cooking them on the campfire.
Cooking them on the campfire, okay. So you don't want the macaroni and cheese that I have?
Oh, I do want macaroni.
Let's go ahead and get these loaded in correctly. So these are our beds. So it's gonna be nice and comfy. Thank you. That's heavy. Good job. A little heavy. I can't wait for you to see what I have in mind. What the tent, that's the tent. And it is heavy. So, and I have some extra strong tent stakes. Some extra strong tent stakes. And then, let me grab this one because this one has some extra stuff in it. All right, well, ready to go?
What if it doesn't fit?
It'll fit. Go. All right, hop on in. No animals on the beach.
Wait, it's not a beach?
It's a beach. You go swimming out there. Yeah. Mommy used to swim out here whenever she was a little girl. Look at that.
Look what I found. A land zone. This place is amazing. There's a whole beach behind me. That is cool.
So where are we doing now?
Well, we're just searching, I guess, a dog park.
No, it says no dogs allowed.
This is a beach.
So this is our campsite at Lake Ratcliff.
Yep.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
And this is our tent. Haley, do you want to show us inside?
So, this is Mommy's side, and
Looks fancy.
this is my side. I have my little Buckies, and I'm about to eat some crackers. I have my push pala.
Do you have any crackers to share?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I have Clover,
Okay.
and I have my bag. And I have my headphones,
Of course.
and my phone,
Oh, and we have a boombox that we need to get out. Okay, so Haley wants to go fishing, and she has a cute little Zebco 33, which is what I started out with. Now, whenever she goes fishing with her grandpa, he hooks them, but that's a bait casting reel. We've got your beautiful pink pole. And so It comes in two
Mommy
parts.
also has her own.
I do have my own pole. So I'm going to go ahead and get yours all strung up. And I'm going to teach you how to tie a polymer knot. And it's a really easy knot. And it's very, very versatile. Okay, so
Maybe I can do it with my.
maybe you can. But we need to go ahead and string this bad boy first. So we have the string that it comes with.
You said that my string is perfect.
Yes, it is absolutely perfect for what you need. Now I'm going to cut the end off. Okay, sharp. So stay away.
She always tells me this.
Yes.
To get away from the knife.
Well, camping equipment sometimes is sharp.
I'm not even on camera because I'm so far from the knife.
Okay, come on. You're fine. All right. So that's why it stays in Mommy's pocket, right? Oh my gosh. So dramatical. All right. So
In our shop
now,
bag,
which one do you want? So we're going to be fishing with topwater lures, which are really, really fun to fish with because they're really good at, you can see them on the water, and whenever a fish hits them, it's really, really cool to see. So these are Pop R's. So which one would you like?
I would like this one.
You want this guy?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to show you how to tie a pop bar or a polymer knot here in just 1 second. Tying a polymer knot is really, really easy. So one pass through. So it has this little hole right here at the tip. Okay.
Okay.
And this is for so that you can
Tie a knot.
so that you can thread the line. So we are going to, if we'll focus.
There's a spider on the tent.
Yeah, that's part of camping maybe. So once one pass through.
Okay.
Okay, so I've gone through once. I'm gonna go through a second time. There you go. So as I go through a second time, then I have like this little guy right out here. So it looks like, so I've got two, basically he's on two strings like this, okay, with a loop right here. Now what I'm gonna do is just tie a basic knot, just a plain basic knot. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. I'm just gonna tie a plain basic knot and pull that loop through, so it's like this. And then I'm gonna tighten this, not all the way, and then I'm gonna go around the lure like this.
Careful, Mommy.
I will. So I'm gonna go around the lure like this. And you can do this with any lure, with any, well, most any, or any hook. And it will, the same knot will work. And it actually locks in on itself. And a polymer knot, don't move the pole, baby, please. A polymer knot is a fantastic knot. And then you grab that one line, and look at that, look at that. So that line, that hook that we, or that loop that we made, gradually closes off like that, and boom, tight. And then use your fingernail clippers to clip this little end off, and there you go. You're good to go. We'll see you in action.
Be careful if you fish down here. Do not get your fishing pole stuck.
Uh-huh, yeah.
If you don't know how to get it out, it may be stuck there forever.
Forever. Yeah.
Forever, ever, ever.
Forever, evers, and evers, and evers, and evers, and evers, and evers, and evers. Yeah. Now look, I'm gonna reel him up to where he's right like this. Watch me first. Watch me first, right? I'm gonna look back. And then I'm just gonna flick my wrist. Right?
I had one.
Sure. Here. Thank you. Take and throw that away, please. Make sure that it's disposed of properly.
Mine goes in the little pot.
Yes, it does. Please stop jumping around. Thank you.
I heard a
This is such a cool little table too. I like this.
Yeah, me too.
And that was super easy to make. Is it hot?
No.
Are you sure? It was boiling.
This
It's
is the
perfect temperature.
Yeah, this is the best dinner I've ever had.
It's good. And you know what? Tomorrow morning, we're going to have eggs and bacon and cheese. What all have you learned so far on this camping trip?
I've learned how to make mac and cheese on a campfire.
You learned how to start a fire with flint and steel.
Mm-hmm.
You learned how to pitch a tent.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
How to fish.
You kind of already knew how to fish, but
Yeah. And how to tie a knot so that I could put the bait on a fresh new pole.
Polymer knot. It's one of the easiest knots. Pa taught me. My dad. Whenever I was probably not much older than you, probably about your age. And I've been tying the same knot ever since. So it just goes to prove that the things you learn whenever you're young, you'll remember forever. You think you'll remember this in 10 years?
Probably.
Probably.
I'll probably bring my granddaughter or grandson here.
You're going to wait that long? Why not bring your kids?
I am going to bring my kids and my grandma. Then my grandma. Wait, I would also bring their grandma, which will be you. I am stuffed. That was so good. We're going to make some s'mores on the campfire.
We do have some graham crackers We do have some
marshmallows.
Some marshmallows. Whoa!
Whoa. Sorry. Got a little bit over carried.
And we should have a chocolate bar somewhere. I put it in here. I don't know what happened to it.
Chocolate bar. I'll look for it. Because I've been eating them.
Did you? Yep, you did. You melted a bit of the plastic on the candle.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's your marshmallows.
It's both of ours.
I'm not having any. I'm not having any marshmallows.
I am.
This is all for you. So, you gotta find your
Chocolate bar.
Your chocolate bar.
I think it's somewhere on my bed, maybe. Oh, Mommy found it.
I got it. All right. I think that's enough for me, but I'm gonna let you have.
This will be the padding of the outside of the s'more.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see soon.
Yep.
So, if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you because me and Mom went to this place and it was cold and they had a campfire and we can make some s'mores. And I was only 4 years old, so now I remember that.
How old are you now?
6. So I'm in 1st grade.
But you're gonna be 7 in like
6, 7.
No. You're gonna be 7 in like 3, 4 months.
Oh, I just said 6, 7 for no reason. I don't even know why I said 6 and 7. That doesn't even rhyme. That was the best dinner of my whole life, Mommy. Thank you for cooking some mac and cheese.
Well, it's your favorite food. I know you'd like it. But I doubt it's the best thing that you've ever had. We'll do better next time. And,
I'm gonna tell you and show you how to make some s'mores.
up next,
S'mores.
stay tuned. Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Make sure you touch that subscribe button.
It's completely free and it'll make her happy. So,
And a like, that'll also make me happy.
yeah. What else?
Also, share your favorite camping place, and
Give us some ideas. Yeah, maybe we'll go there.
Yeah, maybe we'll go there next weekend.
Depends on where they say. If they say it's in Alaska, are we driving all the way to Alaska? Are we flying to Alaska?
Yeah, probably. But only if it's like on a very, 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 very long weekend.
You have school.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
So, one day when I'm not at school,
One day. One day.
One day with you.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and put up my silverware. And so I cleaned mine off really nice. But we're still going to wash this whenever we get home. So if you want to clean yours off really, really nice. And
Mine at home.
you're going to clean yours at home. Okay.
Yeah.
So go ahead and wrap it up in this. Here you go. Go ahead and clean it off really, really well. And then wrap it up in that. And then we'll get ready for s'mores.
Yep, and Mommy, if you want to watch me, you can.
Well, I'm going to have to watch you so you don't fall in the fire.
I do not want to film.
Yeah, probably not a good idea.
Okay.
Not recommended. 0 out of 0. Okay.
Where do I put this?
Honestly, kid, I mean, you're going to have to, like, put it in the side pocket over here somewhere.
Okay. Stay tuned. I'm going to make some s'mores of you.
Put it on here. Hurry. Put the top on. Put the top on. There you go.
This is the s'more. This is good, guys.
Dessert.
Dessert. Make sure you like and subscribe if you ate a s'more before.
It is thundering and raining in the tent. She is passed out. But oh my goodness. It is quite a little storm coming through. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen, guten Morgen, sunshine. Wakey, wakey. All right, Lake Ratcliff. We are about to pack up and head out. We were going to have eggs and bacon, and our fire got totally wiped out last night. There was a huge storm that came through. You slept right through it. You didn't. You were snoring over there. Just.
I slept next to